In today's video, we will start properly Fire Officer Level 1 from NFPA 1021 and its chapter 4 deals with this. For the qualification at Fire Officer Level 1, a candidate shall meet the requirement for Firefighter 2 as defined in NFPA 1001. Before going towards Firefighter 2, Firefighter 1 is essential as per NFPA 1001. So Firefighter 1 and Firefighter 2 are the basic qualification for the Fire Officer Level 1 and also Fire Instructor Level 1 from NFPA 1041 because he has to train, he has to deliver the lecture. Also the job performance requirements defined in section 4.2 through 4.7 of NFPA 1021. These are the basic requirements, and today we will discuss about general prerequisite knowledge for a firefighter level 1 and general prerequisite skills. The first one is organizational structure of the department and geographical configuration and characteristics of the response districts, then departmental operating procedures for administration, emergency operation, incident management system and safety. After that, fundamentals of leadership and departmental budget processes. And the sixth one is information management and record keeping. And the seventh one is fire prevention and building safety codes. Knowledge is also essential for the fire officer level 1. And let's go one by one. General organization structure. It's mean that he has to know which type of department are there, what are they doing, how they are integrated with the fire department and how the fire department is integrated with them. NFPA tells that get the knowledge of all these departmental structure or departmental hierarchy, which type of organograms are being used in that and role and function of different departments are essential for a fire officer for the routine fire safety of the organization and also in fire safety operations and major disasters. Then comes geographical configuration and characteristics of response district, that which type of terrain you are having, which type of organization, whether this fire safety arrangements and fire brigade is for the marine areas, for the harbor firefighting, or this is for the airport areas, aerodrome firefighting is, and whether it is for the factories, mills or oil installations, or it's for the commercial areas like malls, hotels, hospitals and other areas where the fire safety is essential. Then comes departmental operating procedures, knowledge of SOPs, policies, procedures for the administration, emergency operation, incident management system and for the safety. He has to know all the essential knowledge for its confident behavior and response in case of emergency. This type of documentations and knowledge, he has to be competent enough, and for the process improvement he may suggest the things, and also he has to consider the safety of his men. Then fundamentals of the leadership. Yes, of course, a person who is leading 2 or more people and taking work from them and managing them, he has to have the leadership qualities, clear communication, emotional competence, emotional intelligence, because he has to face the different scenarios and different behaviors and different cultures and different people backgrounds he has to manage, and he has to make solid decisions. He has to get data for the decisions. What the decision making is, he has to learn. What the communication is, he has to learn. What the motivation is, he has to learn and practice in the fire safety department, in the fire brigade department, wherever he is doing the job for the firefighting, because firefighting is a more demanding job than any other, because he has to send the team before the flames and heat and fire. So team building and trust building, both are essential for the safety of the organization. Taking accountability for outcomes, he has to appreciate, he has to give rewards, he has to give buck up to the team. But on the other hand, if someone is not contributing, not performing, he has to punish them, he has to issue the warning letters, and he has to be visible, he has to be competent enough, he has to communicate with the management, with the leadership, and also with the general public and his own teams and firefighters in different shifts. And the fifth one is departmental budget processes. He has to know how the budget is coming, how the funds are coming, how many code heads are being used for the firefighting department, how he has to maintain the equipment for repair maintenance, for refilling, and for the vehicle repairing, for the pumps repairing, and how he will communicate with the top management, which type of operational expenditures, and then information management and record keeping. Yes, of course, very critical nowadays, because things are changing. He has to be good enough towards the computer side, computer literate, and AI knowledge, and also towards the Google side, and all about that. He has to be smart enough towards that. Systematic control of data and effective record keeping, then legal compliances are there. Data is very essential, whether it is in hard copy or in soft copy, because for your trend analysis and for your recommendations, for your improvements, for your betterment of the department. So keep on touch with these new changes in the information management domain. And then comes fire prevention and building codes. He has to be competent professional. He should know what the combustion is, how many types of fire, how to extinguish them, what is active firefighting, what is passive firefighting, what type of protection systems are there, portable, fixed, and all about that, water-based, clean agent, and portable fire extinguisher, and every range of over there, from fire triangle to fire systems, and for the proximity firefighting, and for the structural firefighting, even wild firefighting, which type of organization he is working with, and all this information, knowledge, equipment, and their maintenance, their upkeep, their readiness, he should ensure. And then comes general prerequisite skills, ability to effectively communicate in writing utilizing technology provided by the AHJ, whether OS system is there, whether other gadgets are being provided by the AHJ, he has to be competent enough to use that for the writing of reports, for the letters, memos, and other instruction, and for the lectures, and for the training, all about that. Operate in an information management system and effectively operate at all levels in the incident management system utilized by the AHJ. He has to be competent and towards the information management and the incident management system. Different type of communications, different types of incident management levels are there. He has to be competent enough. These are the basically basic things for the general prerequisite knowledge. Keep on learning, and NFPA 1021 is very much related with this. And thank you very much.